Hi guys, today we're going to be making a Lego Beyblade called Iceattack.
These are some videos of Iceattack in action.
First, we get this piece and we put these on the bottom, like so. See? And then we put this round piece here in the center. So it should look like this. I don't really care about the colors because that's the bottom. Now we put this circle piece like that. Okay? And then we get this, this piece and put it here. Like that. And then we put this piece like that. It can spin now. Yeah, anyway. And now we get these kind of pieces. Look, they look like that. You should have them. Very good for Beyblades. See? And then you put this square piece in the middle. Really cool, huh? Then we put a 1x1 circle piece like this. See? It's really, now it's almost done. We put this piece there. Now let's put the armor on. So we get 1x2 and put them on two different sides like that. And then we put these pieces on them. So it should be looking like this. Cool? And then you get these kind of pieces and put them on these sides. See? It's looking cool. There. And now, this is just to make it look cool. You can put whatever decoration. I just like putting that. And it's finished.